end of the cerebral aqueduct of Sylvius. Okay, sir. Now there is our dorsal part, and here is, yes, ventral part of the diencephalon. Okay, sir. Dorsal part. Again, it is divided into the thalamus. Another thing you can remember, the metathalamus, and another thing you can remember, that is the epithalamus. Agree, everyone? Fine. While the ventral part, look here, the ventral part is divided into the ventral, it is below. So you can say, sir, it is having the hypothalamus. Yes, sir. Another thing, that is our subthalamic nuclei of the Lewis. Okay, yes, when there is a lesion in the subthalamic nucleus of the Lewis, then there is the projectile throwing movement from half of the body, that is known as, yes, hemibellismus. NEET PG 2021 and 22 question. Fine. Few more extra age I want to give for all of you. Sir, this metathalamus, sir, metathalamus is equal to lateral geniculate body plus medial geniculate body. So this is the one important equation. Yes, integrating with your medicine, with your ENT, remember the lateral geniculate body. Sir, this lateral geniculate body is related with the which pathway? Vision pathway, MCQ. While the medial geniculate body is related with the which pathway? Auditory pathway. So these are your, yes, you can say the ophthalmology, ENT, physiology, medicine, integration. Agree, everyone? Fine. Yes, you must know this epithalamus. This epithalamus is nothing. I am writing here, the epithalamus is equal to our pineal gland, which is considered as third eye of the Lord Shiva, plus, yes, habenula. So this is the one another important equation for all of you. So remember these points. These are very important facts for your INICET NEET PG exam. We will talk about this third eye of the Lord Shiva, pineal gland, and the habenula in our different session. But right now we are going to talk about the cadaveric image. Sir, hypothalamus is the center for control of the visceral activity, and this subthalamic nucleus of the Lewis. Yes, if there is a damage, there is a projectile throwing movement, ballistic movement in half of the body, hemibellismus. So this is the question from the your NEET PG 2021 and 22 continuously repeated. Very important. So this is the extra